Hello everyone, welcome to NEERJA'S algorithm. Today we will do some other questions of integration that depends on the other formulas. This is the first question, under root of 1 plus sec x into dx. Looking so simple and easy, but it's not. We need to do so many things in this question. Yes, see, first step is to please write it in the form of like this. And then we will rationalize it like this and like this. This is the first step. Now we know that a plus b into a minus b, it becomes sec square x minus 1 by, I am keeping this root like this, it become like this. Okay, now sec square x minus 1 is what? It is 10 square x. Using identity, 10x will come out by under root of sec x minus 1 into dx. Fine. Now I converted 10x into sine by cos, and 1 by sec is 1 by cos x. Take LCM and it become like this, sine x by cos x and 1 by root cos x, like I am taking like this, or this becomes 1 minus cos x. Fine, into dx. But see here, this is sine by cos x and this is 1 by root cos x. So I will take it like this, sine x into dx. This cos x ko if I am writing root x into root cos x, so it become cancel, or I am remaining with this part. Please don't get confused. See, this cos x ko I wrote it like this, root cos x into root cos x, and down part was the root cos x. So this and this got cancelled. I am remaining with this. That is why I wrote it. I think now you understood why I wrote it like this. Now after that, you can see कि differentiation of cos x is sin x. Now I am taking cos x as t and dt become minus of sin x into dx. This become minus of dt by under root of t by under root of minus t. Now in the last video I gave so many integral forms in which the one was under root of peak x plus q, means both are the linear equations that you need to do. When both are linear, so what you will do? Because it is a square root, so I can write like this also, ki t into 1 minus t. I can do it like this. So it become a quadratic equation. This become t minus t square. Understood? Now this is minus dt. What I did, I took it minus common to make it the t square positive, t square minus t. I did not close the bracket because I wanted to tell you about the completing the square method. We will use it. What that completing the square method, that was also I taught in the last video, कि you need to take the coefficient of x, t, y, whatever in the form of the equation. What is that? 1 ka half is 1 by 2. Please square that term and add and subtract. Now remember, plus 1 by 2 ka whole square minus 1 by 2 ka whole square. Now I am closing the bracket. Now it become minus of dt by under root of, because minus was outside and I cannot take that minus outside of the square root sign because it is an imaginary thing. So I need to multiply that value with the minus sign. It become half ka whole square minus of, see how you make it a perfect square. Take t square ka t, middle term ka sine, and the last term ka single term. It become a minus b ka whole square. So simple. Again I am telling you, t square ka t, middle term ka sine, and the last term ka single term. It become whole square. This is minus dt by under root of half ka square minus t minus half ka whole square. Now you can compare with the formula dx by under root of a square minus x square. What was the integration? The integration was sine inverse x by a. We will do that. Minus was outside. It becomes sine inverse of t minus 1 by 2 by, what is a? 1 by 2 plus c. Put the value of t, what we let as t, take it to, it become minus of 2 sine inverse of, my mistake, sorry, this 2 should be go up, sorry, yeah, that become t ka value is cos x minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. This is the second question. 3e to the power x minus 4 by e to the power 2x minus 2e to the power x plus 10 bracket close e to the power x into dx. Looking complicated, but it's simple. Now we will take it ex is equal to t, because we know the differentiation is also the same thing, ex into dx, correct? Now I am putting this value, it become 3t minus 4 by t square minus 2t plus 10 into dt, because this become dt. Now what we got? The last video, please check my last video. I wrote all the integral forms there. It is the form px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c, that form. So what we will do? We will take numerator is equal to a into differentiation of the denominator t square minus 2t plus 10 plus b. Okay. Now 3t minus 4 is equal to a into 2t minus 2. t square का differentiation 2t 2t का become minus 2, 10 का 0 plus b. Got it? Now this is form we got. 3t minus 4 is equal to a into 2t minus 2 plus b. Now what I will do? I will open the bracket first. 2at minus 2a plus b. We will compare the values. How? T ka coefficient is 3. Here what is the t ka coefficient? Only 2a. So it become, this implies that a will become 3 by 2. Understood? Now what is the constant value here? Minus 4, and here the constant values are b minus 2a. Now minus 4 is equal to b minus 2 into 3 by 2. This and this got cancelled. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to b. That means I got b ka value equals to minus 1. Now where we should keep these values? We should keep these values here in this equation. Now I am putting the integral sign because my numerator is equal to this one. A ka value is 3 by 2 into 2t minus 2. B ka value is minus 1. Again I am telling you, don't solve it. If you will solve it, naturally you will get this one only. Now the down part is t square minus 2t plus 10 into dt. Now what I did, I separated 3 by 2, 2t minus 2 by the denominator minus 1 that was there. So I put it like this. Now whenever the form is like that, the first integral is always the substitution one. Always means you will take this as the other variable, you will get this, and the second variable always you will get completing the square method form, always. Now this become, I will take t square minus 2t plus 10 is equal to z. This become 2t minus 2 into dt is equal to dz. Now this become 3 by 2. This is like this, and this become this. That means the first part is always a log. Now the minus of this, again the same, completing the square method. T ka coefficient is 2, multiply with half, become 1. 1 ka square, need to add and subtract. t square minus 2t plus 10 plus 1 minus 1. I wrote it 1 because 1 ka square is 1 only. So 3 by 2, it become log z minus. Now you will tell only this becomes, see, simple, t square. I told you what we are adding it, keep it with this. So t square minus 2t plus 1 I am keeping in one bracket. 10 minus 1, 9 I am keeping in one bracket. Now this is 3 by 2 log z minus integration of dt by t minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Again go to the formulas. Dx by under root of x square plus a square. What is the integration? 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. If you don't remember the formulas, you cannot do mathematics. So यहाँ पर this become like 1 upon a. A is your 3. 1 upon 3 tan inverse. What is x? X is t minus 1 by 3 plus c constant. Now I am putting the values what I let it be. 3 by 2 log. What was your z? Z was your t square minus 2t plus 10. Correct? Minus 1 by 3 tan inverse. What was your t? It was e to the power x minus 1 by 3 plus c. Again, because here also I need to put the value, it become e to the power 2x minus 2 e to the power x plus 10 minus 1 upon 3. It become tan inverse of e to the power x minus 1 by 3 plus c. Completes the answer. This is the third question. Dx by 2x plus 3 under root of. Can you see both are linear? Again, please remember the forms. This is px plus q under root of, let it be ax plus b. So when both are linear form, one is without root and one is under root. So take under root as a substituted value. So I will take it under root of 4x plus 5 is equal to t. Fine. Now it become 4x plus 5 is equal to t square because I removed the square root. Now I will differentiate 4 into dx is equal to 2t into dt. Got it? Now I am putting all the values what we let. 4 into dx. I will cancel it and this become 1 by 2 t dt by. Now 2x plus 3 and this is your t. I will first 2 in place of x. What you will put? T square minus 5 by 4 by this equation. See here. T square minus 5 by 4 is equal to x. Fine. So I am putting that value. And into what will let t. See, cancelled. This and this cancelled, this and this cancelled. We are remaining with simple one, dt by t square minus 5. Now I will write it dt by t ka square minus root 5 ka whole square. Means it become x square minus a square. Now it become 1 upon 2a log x square minus a square 1 upon 2a. So in place of a, I will write root 5 log x minus means t minus root 5 by t plus root 5 plus c. Got it? Now what we let t? We will put the value 2 root 5 log t ka value is under root of 4x plus 5 minus root 5. Simple. Completes the answer. This is the fourth question. Dx by 1 plus x square under root of 1 minus x square. We can easily see ki both are quadratic. So what was that quadratic form? In the quadratic form, we will take it x as 1 by t. X as 1 by t. You remember, we will substitute here 2 times. One, so we substituted only like this. It become like this. तो यहाँ पर it become minus 1 by 2 square into dt by 1 plus 1 by t square under root of 1 minus 1 by t square. Fine? Got it? Now, it become, minus 1 by t square into dt. I will take it LCM, so it become t square plus 1 by t square. And here also it become t square minus 1. I'm keeping it this square root short and the t will come out. Got it? This t square and this t square got cancelled. Minus of t dt by t square plus 1 under root of t square minus 1. I told before starting the question only ki you need to let 2 times. So here now we will substitute this value. Under root of t square minus 1 is equal to u. 2t into dt is equal to 2u into du. Now 2 and 2 got cancelled. In place of t dt, I put u du, and in place of t square, I put u square plus 1. Plus 1 was already there. It become u square plus 2. U was there. It get cancelled. I got du by u ka whole square. 2 को I can write root 2 का whole square. So it become a formula of under root integration of dx by x square plus a square. That become 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Then I will put the value of u here, and again I will put the value of t ka, that is 1 by x. That completes the answer. Fifth question, dx by 2 sine square x plus 3 cos square x. Now this question, whenever the form is sine square x or cos square x or both, we need to do the first step is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Fine. Now this become 1 by cos square x becomes sec square x into dx. Down part sine by cos, it become tan square x. I am writing directly, and cos square and cos square got cancelled. You got it with this. Now this tan x you let as t, so dt become sec square x into dx. Fine. It is like dt by 2t square plus 3. Now I wrote it 1 by 2 dt t square plus root 3 by 2 ka whole square. Why I wrote it like this? See here, it was 2t square. All the integral forms have you seen that t square, x square, u square, all are alone. Nothing is multiplied to it. That means if whatever is multiplied in the question, the first step to divide it. So I took it 2 common, so it become form like this. Now the form is similar to dx by x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. I will use that formula 1 upon a. What is a? This one. Root 3 by 2. Tan inverse x is t by root 3 by 2 plus c. Now this 2 and this 2 got cancelled. 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 2. What is your t? T was your 10x, correct? By root 3 plus c. Answer. These are the practice questions that you have to do. If you won't get any problem is coming in these questions, so let me know in the comment section. I will solve in the next video for sure. And any doubts and queries, let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.